Hello my friends, how are you? This is Manan Soni, welcome you in our mathematics class. Guys, today I am going to discuss with you very basic topic of your primary standard, and that is pairs of angles. Different pairs जब हम means when you observe only one pair तो सर हमें एकदम easily याद रह जाता है, लेकिन what about different pairs? That is very confusing target. So let me clear you. If you get proper attention, then I am sure you will remember this point very easily. My first pair is adjacent angles. Adjacent means the word is very simple, back to back. Now you can see your definition. Two angles that share a vertex. You can see here vertex is point B. I did a round on B. B is common vertex. Now, two angles that share a vertex and have a common side, and that common side you can see on your screen, that is ray BC. So, those angles are called as adjacent angles. Means you can see if I do addition of these two angles, mean angle number 1 and angle number 2, then angle 1 plus angle 2, that will give me full angle. Here two angles are adjacent pair. You can see on the screen angle ABC and angle CBD. If I add them, which angle I will get? Yes, you can see on the screen angle ABD. So now repeat with me, angle ABD is equal to angle ABC plus angle CBD. Okay, I hope you got properly. Now I will explain you second type of our pair, and that is vertical angles. See, the point is very simple. When two different lines intersect each other, total 4 angles are generated. You can see angle number 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4. Now, how many lines are involved in this second number figure? You can see. So, vertical pair is very easy. Sometimes vertical angles are also called as vertically opposite angles. Repeat with me. Vertical angles are called as vertically opposite angles. Okay. So now definition is also very easy. Two pairs of non-adjacent congruent angles formed by two intersecting lines are called as vertically angles or vertically opposite angles. And now you have to remember one more thing which can be useful for your sums. यहाँ पर you can see angle 1 and angle 3. This pair is opposite, and 1 and 3 both angles measurement will be same. Same way, angle 2 and angle 4 both are opposite to each other. Then अगर आपको एंगल 2 का मेजरमेंट फॉर एग्जांपल समझ लीजिए कि आपको 100 डिग्री दिया गया है, then if 2 is given, then fourth angle you can find out. Fourth angle is also 100 degree. Why? Because 1 and 3 opposite pairs, those are equal angles, and angle 2 and angle 4, that is also another pair of opposite angles, means vertical angles, and that is also congruent. Okay, sir, what is meaning of congruent? Congruent means if two angles measurement is same, then those are called as congruent angles. Okay, now let me discuss my third point. Third point is complementary angles. Now you can see here angle E, F, H, you can see on the cursor and observe in the figure, and angle H, F, G. If I add first angle and this second angle, you can see the total will be 90 degree. Means it will be complete 90 degree a right angle. So definition is very simple. Two adjacent angles with measures that add up to 90 degree are called as complementary angles. Now let me clear you one more thing. It is not compulsory to have adjacent angles. Means यहाँ पर आपको जो angles दिए गए हैं, angle number 1 and angle number 2, those are back to back adjacent. लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है. Sometimes आपको means दो separate angles भी दिए जा सकते हैं. If one angle is given 20 degree, then what is its complementary angle? Can you give me answer? If one is 20, then second will be 70 degree. Why? You can add them. If you add them, you will get 20 degree plus 70 degree. That is, yes, 90 degree. So I hope you got the point. If the sum of two angles is 90 degree, then two angles are called as complementary angles. That is second definition. Okay, and now I will give fourth one, supplementary angles. See, complementary में आपको total मिला 90 degree. So supplementary now becomes very easy for you. Supplementary means the angles whose addition is 180 degree is called as supplementary angles. Means supplementary angles is a pair. You can see in the figure here I gave you two different angles. Angle number 1, that is IJL, and angle number 2, that is LJK. So it is given on the screen. You can see here also. Okay, two adjacent angles with measures that add up to 180 degree. Yes, 180 degree. That is called as supplementary angle pair. Now let me clear one more thing. Actually यहाँ पर आपको जो दिया गया है, that is called as linear pair also. Guys, linear pair has also two angles, and addition of both angles will be 180 degree. तो सर सप्लीमेंट्री में और लीनियर में डिफरेंस क्या है? लेट मी इन्फॉर्म यू. एक्चुअली लीनियर पेयर कैन बी सप्लीमेंट्री ऑलवेज, बट all the supplementary angles pair cannot be linear always. सर ऐसा क्यों? क्योंकि आप देख सकते हैं कि लीनियर पेयर जो होती है, लीनियर पेयर में क्राइटेरिया कॉमन है, लाइक एंड एडजेसेंट एंगल्स. यू कैन सी ऑन द स्क्रीन. यहां पर एक वर्टेक्स कॉमन मिलेगा आपको लीनियर पेयर में, एंड वन साइड विल बी कॉमन. इन विच पेयर? लीनियर पेयर. बट सप्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स में ऐसा फिक्स नहीं है. बोथ एंगल्स कैन बी गिवन सेपरेटली. ओके, लेकिन वहां पर क्राइटेरिया क्या है? क्राइटेरिया इज दैट द एडिशन मस्ट बी 180 डिग्री. लाइक इफ वन एंगल इज 100 डिग्री and second is given separately, but the measurement of second is 80 degree, then add them. 100 degree plus 80 degree, what is the answer? Yes, 180 degree. So if addition of two angles is 180 degree, then it is called as supplementary angles, and linear pair follows the same criteria, but supplementary angles can be linear sometimes, or it can be independent, two different figures. So I can say that linear pair is always supplementary, but all supplementary angles pair not called linear pair. So guys, I hope you are now cleared in your mind the pairs of angles. Let me conclude my lecture. First pair is adjacent angles. Second one, vertically opposite angles, or you can say vertical angles. Third one is complementary. What is addition of two complementary angles? Now you can give me answer. Yes, correct one, 90 degree. And What is addition of two angles of supplementary pair? Yes, again you are right, that is 180 degree. So guys, now I will take a leave. I hope you will revise it properly and you got my point. And yes, one more request. If you really like my lecture, my content and the way of explanation, please subscribe my channel and please share this channel because it is for you only. Okay, bye bye, take care.